U5A3 is a short activity and it has to do with magnetic fields. Now, don't confuse magnetic fields and electric fields. They are different. Magnetic fields, the law of magnetic fields state that opposite magnetic poles attract. So as a child, you probably have played with magnets before, and what you'll notice is that there are north and south poles, and the north is attracted to the south. Like poles will repel. Now, these fields travel from north to south, so if you sprinkled iron filings down on top of one of these magnets, what you would find is these loops that go like this. They go from north to south. They are stronger at the ends of a magnet, of a bar magnet, than they are in the middle. They're three-dimensional, so not only do they go along the page like this, but they would come out like this when they loop, so they are three-dimensional, and they are continuous loops, so they come back through the magnet as they're going. Now, when we talk about magnetic substances, permanent magnets, we'll talk about iron and nickel primarily, but cobalt is also a permanent magnet. And there are other things that are called paramagnetic substances, and these are things that become magnetic when they're in the presence of permanent magnets. Now, one thing that you should be looking into in Content 2 is just a little bit on domain theory, which talks about why magnets are magnetic. Like I said, this was a very short section, but it's important for understanding motors later on because motors work on what's called electromagnetism. So what we're going to see is the electric fields and the magnetic fields work together to produce a force.